Are you feeling your absolute best, or are you happy with your body composition? Defining your goals and values are important, but that doesn't protect you against the backslide, against the extra belly fat, the menopausal symptoms, or just not feeling your absolute best energy, mood, focus, sleep. All of these things that are so important. What I see helping women in their health and wellness journeys is that the birthday comes around or New Year's comes around and we make resolutions, and then we go well for the first couple of weeks, and because we don't have accountability, because we don't have a set structure, because we are trying to change some of our old habits, life gets back in the way. And then tick, 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 now it's nearly the end of 2025. So I have a new mindset module on my program, and also this is just a little message to you so you know that I do actually have a program to help. So this is just a little lifeline, I suppose, making sure that women know the program I designed was truly something I needed for myself 8 years ago. And I think what I see is women don't like asking for help. We end up last on the list, so we have these good intentions and then everyone else's stuff gets in the way and comes before ours and ourselves. And what I want to help you with is changing that. So changing the fact that you are going to be first for a change. So this is my invitation to you to come join my last program of the year, where I can link arms with you, help you change your body composition. Maybe you've got 5 kilos to kick. Maybe you want to feel your best. You want the best energy, mood, focus, sleep, fat loss, whatever it looks like for you. And we can dial that in, but we can do it in a way that's going to last, because you have accountability, you have me helping you along, you have a bunch of other women that you can hear from and learn from. It's really cool community. When we are in a group environment, other people's activity just actually make us more motivated. So I promise you, you will get amazing results, to the fact that I actually have a money back guarantee. So if you are one of those people who keep putting yourself last, most women do it, it's your time and I'm here to help you. So I would love to have you in the program and to get to know you better, to help you build a daily protocol that sets you up for a lifestyle that you love. So this is your call to action. If you have any questions at all, please let me know so I can help you work it out. And then I'm here to help you. So let's do this together and let's make the rest of this year amazing. So in 12 weeks from now, you feel a different version of yourself.